Brixton has such a natural atmosphere, multicultural community. You can see the Rasta man here, people here.
The most essential thing in it. So this one you have sea moss, burdock, bladderwrack, sarsaparilla root, and baobab. Yes, baobab. The baobab are the biggest tree in the whole continent. The most massive tree in Africa. With sarsaparilla, blood with strong back, Medina. Yes, Mr. Medina. Fully alkaline, fully electric.
Yes.
Sea moss.
Yes.
Yeah? Sea moss.
I eat Ringo Vision and drink. So
and are the two best healer them pan creation what God make. Not what man make, you know, what the Almighty make.
Right.
They good for every sickness, every disease.
Right. Nooni. And knock it, you understand people, yeah? So yeah, man, give thanks to the people, yeah? For the energy and for the light. Brixton has such a natural atmosphere, multicultural community. You can see the Rasta man here, people here. He's just in his element. You understand? We're going to spend some time around here, so it's a vibration right now, people here. I'm on Electric Avenue and burning some frankincense and some myrrh. And we all need a bit of vibration and upliftment and positivity. And Rasta there, so I beat the drum. You understand? Heartbeat, people, yeah. So one love to each and every one of you that's watching right now. We have Adisa Barber here right here so as well. You understand? We have to heal up Adisa Barber, people. You understand?
Give thanks and praise, you know, and bless Ringo Vision. And yes, so we did do the cleansing with from all the parasites them. See? Cool, mucus, slime. See? So see that we have all the good old castor oil for now. See it? And the gold. The year grow back when it a drop off. So I'm telling you, don't play righteousness.
Alright.
And see for the man them, yeah. Now phone of this put smile on my sister face. Oh no do. Roots tonic, chain the roots, sarsaparilla, blood with strong back, Medina. Yes, Mr. Medina. Wake up and walk.
Aye.
Rastafari.
Vibration.
And who they go on with them cough and open. See the tea of it. Yeah, and we have the long stay also. Yeah, man, and the tea for the lungs with the mullein and everything in it. Yeah, I sap everything in it and see the mullein, yeah. No.
Yes, people, it's a vibe. That's a right on a Brixton. What you say, Adisa?
Yeah, man, and see it at the mullein, all the man them want love smoke. Like me, yeah. If you don't drink on the mullein regularly, if you don't smoke, whole of people right now they're dead from lungs cancer and they don't even smoke. So what's in the environment make you see the time look so deep a clothes and something. We don't need to keep the lungs clean. Stop playing with righteousness.
Yes, people don't know it's a Brixton with there, you know, and a vibration right there, so a Brixton people, yeah. I'm coming here to check Adisa Barber. My first intake that I've had so far today. Adisa, tell them what they want to
yes, man, that one, yeah. Are the fully alkaline, fully electric.
Yes.
Sea moss.
Yes.
Yeah? Sea moss.
I eat Ringo Vision and drink. So
minerals.
92 minerals.
So what's up? Yeah. And some key lime. Yeah. Sugar free.
I
eat Ringo Vision and drink.
I'm mad sitting.
Nooni. Build up the immune system.
Well, and Adisa. I have to tell the people them say nooni, you know, some people don't know what nooni is and what. Them I wonder what that.
Alright.
So you have to tell them nooni or what.
In Jamaica, we call it dopey soursop.
Dopey soursop?
Yeah, the Jamaican call it dopey soursop. When my granny usually tell me about
no, it. Frighten them, you know.
Get some dopey soursop. But you know why them call it so?
Yeah.
Because them no want you know the goodness we go for it.
Right.
You understand? So them tell us like it name some bad name for your afraid of it. But you see that one here? That's a family to the soursop. You see the soursop? This and the soursop are two first cousins. So one name soursop and one them call it dopey soursop.
Right.
And are the two best healer them pan creation what God make. Not one man make, you know, what the Almighty make.
Right.
They good for every sickness, every disease.
Right. Nooni. And tell the people them how them can take the one them Adisa.
Well, that one you just take a little shot glass
Right.
In the morning.
Right.
And you take a little shot glass.
Right.
And an empty stomach.
Empty stomach.
Yeah, just before bed.
Yes.
First thing when you wake in the morning, and that time all the parasites them look for run up and down them time there.
You slap them in them face.
Slap them in them safe with it. And see it here again. Now who say health and wellness are living in England and now go on with nothing? See me here? You need iron.
Iron.
Anything you don't do, if you're serious about life, health and wellness, you need to get some iron. Because listen me, when you don't feel sick and weaky, you know what that? You don't lack in the iron. Yeah?
Right.
Iron is one of the most essential things in it. So this is one you have sea moss, burdock, bladderwrack, sarsaparilla root, and baobab. Yes, baobab. The baobab are the biggest tree in the whole continent. The most massive tree in Africa. The tree big so till all 5, 6, 7, all a dozen now we can stand up in the tree. When time there is drought and them can't get no water, thousands of gallons of water in the baobab tree so you can get water from out of it.
Right.
And this tree lives to all 1,500 to 2,000, 2,500 years.
Right.
The baobab tree. See me here? No founder might know it. 1,500 years old. So why would me not want to eat the baobab or drink the baobab?
That is it. You hear that, people? We gotta get some knowledge today, right? So with Addis Ababa, our good vibes. You understand? Yeah, man. Brixton is one of them community here. Is very, 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 very multicultural people. You understand? There's a lot to do and so much things you can eat, places to eat. You understand? A lot of things there, so Brixton. We're gonna take a look, walk around and look at wild people, but we're just there, so all our vibes, all our energy. Rasta there, as I said, we're and knock it. You understand, people? Yeah. So yeah, man. Give thanks, said we're people, yeah, for the energy and for the life. Give thanks, people. Give thanks. Big up yourself. That is it. A good vibe. Yeah, man. We outside. Flag a sail.